let's take a look inside. Okay. Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a sponsored box product from Setinya company, Body and Earth Orchid. This is the one who provided the product inside, but the company of the product is the Setinya. So watch out for this video my amigos and amigas and enjoy. Let's take a look inside. Okay. Let's unbox it my amigos and amigas on what's inside this Body and Earth Orchid box from Setinya company. So I hope I pronounce it correct. Later my amigos and amigas, I will put in the description box the link below of their company. Okay, so let's unbox inside. Okay, so this is the box. The covering is very nice. And it's very hard. It's very nice paper what it made of. And inside this they got the paper for Body and Earth and confetti like a cushion for the boxes. This one, the little one. I don't know what to call this one, but it's like a cushion for the product inside the box, and it's very nice. They will make it securely. So inside this box that can fit a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this a skincare product. So this one my amigos and amigas. Okay, so what's inside? Let's take a look my amigos and amigas. The 5 skincare products that can fit in this medium box. Okay, number 1 is the Body Butter Orchid from Body and Earth. This one. Okay. It's sealed properly, but I can still smell the outside of the scent. So this one, the Body Butter. And the second one is the hand cream. Yeah, hand cream. Next one is a bath bomb you can use in the bathtub. Okay, so I will use it soon. And a candle. Okay. And this one, the last my amigos and amigas, is a soap, hand soap by the way. Smells nice. I can smell the scent of this in the box. It's a lavender. Okay, lavender like ocean. This is the candles, my favorite of all. Okay. So this is the content of the medium box my amigos and amigas from Setinya company. My amigos and amigas, this Setinya company specializes in some chocolate box, gift boxes, and also paper box and corrugated boxes. So if you're gonna ask me what can I say on this subscription box that I received from them, I can say very good, because in this box, when I receive it and open it, there's no scratches and there's no dents. The box is very clear and very smooth. See one? So I can really highly say and recommend that the Setinya company is very good one. If you have a small business like that, you can order a boxes to them. Feel free to contact them, and I will put the link in their company. So this one my amigos and amigas, the subscription box from Setinya company. So my amigos and amigas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. it to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight,